In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in so you land on your dashboard. From here, you'll move straight into the reporting area because that's the easiest way to get a clean printable view of a journal entry. Look over to the left navigation and click Reports. This takes you to the main reports page where you can access both standard and custom reports. At the top of the reports page, switch to the Custom Reports tab. This section is designed for tailored reporting, which is perfect when you want a focused printout of a journal entry rather than a long predefined report. Once you're on Custom Reports, click Create New Report. That opens the report builder where you'll choose the layout and content you want to see. Inside the builder, select the option that highlights journal details. If you see a search or template list, look for journal or a transaction detail format that shows debits and credits by account. The goal is to display the full lines of the entry, date, accounts, debits, credits, memo, and reference number, so your printout is clear and audit ready. If the builder offers filters here, it helps to set your date range around the day the entry was posted and, when available, limit the transaction type to journal entry to zero in on exactly what you need. When your selections look right, click Create to generate the report. Give it a moment to load. Once the report appears, quickly review the columns and totals. If you can edit columns on this screen, include useful details like memo and reference no. If filters are available here, you can further narrow the results to the specific entry number or date. A quick preview before printing saves paper and ensures all lines fit neatly on a page. Now you're ready to print. Click the print icon at the top of the report. Your browser's print dialog will open. Choose your printer or pick Save as PDF if you'd like a digital copy for your files. Check the layout. Portrait often works, but switch to landscape if your columns are tight. Adjust scale so every column is visible, and enable background graphics if you want colored headers or grid lines to appear. When everything looks good in the preview, confirm to print. That's it. Open QuickBooks, go to Reports, jump into Custom Reports, create the report, and print. Saving a PDF is a great habit for documentation and sharing with your team or your accountant. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.